ChatGPT just released Atlas, which is its own custom browser. But if you guys are using Chrome and you don't want to switch because you have everything already set up, Abra Cadabra might be what you're looking for. It's exactly the same as Atlas, just it runs inside of Google Chrome. It's a simple Chrome extension. When you click on it, you will see the ability to describe what you want your agent to do, and then it can start doing things on the page exactly like Atlas. In fact, it's better than Atlas because there are certain limitations that Atlas has that Abra Cadabra doesn't have. Let's look at some of the details of what this Chrome extension can do that are better than Atlas. So first of all, of course, it has mouse control. That's obvious. You can communicate in real time with your agent to make sure that if they're going off track, you can realign the agent while they're doing work. This is something that Atlas doesn't have. Atlas doesn't have a saved prompts library, so that let's say you wanted to order the same pizza with the same toppings, you could just have a saved prompt in your library and then just click that and have it do it for you. See, the problem with ChatGPT and Atlas is that you always have to rewrite what you want them to do, but with Abra Cadabra, you never have to tell the AI. You just kind of write the prompt once, and it will keep doing that whenever you click the prompt. Let me just show you that quickly right here. Within Abra Cadabra, the saved prompts is this star up here. Over here, you can, sorry, not the star, this book over here. Saved prompts. Over here, you can choose the different pre-selected prompts that you may have written in the past. For example, add SEO descriptions to my YouTube video, and here are all the descriptions, and actually you can see it live right now. Let's say I could do that right now in front of you. Here are some videos that don't have any descriptions in one of my old YouTube channels. If I click on the Abra Cadabra and then click on my saved prompts, add SEO descriptions, and click mouse control, what you're about to see is exactly what I'm talking about. The exact same thing, just like Atlas. The only difference is that this is running inside Google Chrome, and it's better than Atlas because it has more functionality. So right now it's going into the video and it's going to create descriptions for videos that don't have descriptions. So we're going to watch live right now. This is the Abra Cadabra mouse, and my mouse is over here right next to it, so I can still do anything I want. I can actually interact with the page at the same time as Abra Cadabra, and it can do whatever it wants as well. So we can kind of work together. And remember earlier on, I was explaining to you that you can chat with the agent in the middle of a task. Let me show you an example of that right now. I'm going to click on this now, and I'm going to say, I'm going to go to the chat button over here, and I'm going to say, chat with a working agent, and I'm going to tell it, listen, scroll down the list of videos to find the ones that don't have a description, please. So I'm going to tell him to only work on the YouTube videos that don't have a description. I don't want him to work on the YouTube videos that do have a description. And if you look at the Abra Cadabra mouse right here at the top left of the screen, you will notice that it's telling you what he's going to be doing every step of the way. The Chrome extension can be closed while this is working, and you will still receive summaries of what's going on right next to the Abra Cadabra mouse. Check this out. It said it found one. It found a video without a description, and now it's going to write the description for this video, and then it's going to go to on to the next one. And it can go through every single video of mine on YouTube and create SEO descriptions for me. So this is an unbelievable use case. As you can see, Abra Cadabra is exactly the same as Atlas. It's writing a description for my YouTube video, going to the next one that has a missing description, and doing that. In the same way, it can do this for your product, your listing. It can edit product pricing. It can basically have a big picture of your business and do things for you. And remember, the difference between this and Atlas is that this works inside Chrome, whereas Atlas is its own browser where you really need to start from scratch with all your favorites. It's a bit of a mess to have to start a new browser. And also, this doesn't require a premium membership. This is free to download and free to use for 7 days. The pricing is dirt cheap. And the API which you're actually using the Google API, actually is very, very cheap to use. I've been using this for about an hour and I've only spent about $1, which is absolutely insane when you think about it. Also, you can open multiple windows and it will work on across multiple windows. So now, because I told it to scroll down the page and find videos that don't have descriptions, what you're about to see is Abra Cadabra, the new Chrome extension, is going to scroll down exactly like Atlas would, scroll down on the page, find a video that doesn't have a description, and then it's going to add a description to that kind of video. Now watch this. Let's watch that happen live together. So for those of you who just joined the video, this is Abra Cadabra. It's exactly the same as Atlas. It's an AI autonomous agent which can control your Chrome browser. So it doesn't use a new browser called Atlas. It uses your Chrome browser, and it can do so much more than Atlas can do. It has a saved prompt functionality. It can find on the page, and it can even generate solutions and download pictures or images from pages which Atlas cannot do. So this is actually better than Atlas, and it works inside Chrome. So now it's going to write another description. As you can see, it's explaining what it's doing right over here. And that's it. If you want to use multiple of these, you can actually open multiple windows, and then it will work multiple, meaning you can have multiple agents. You just have to kind of make multiple windows. And so what else do we have here? Intelligent form filling, of course, favorites and automations. I've got to mention this unbelievable special thing that it has. I haven't even mentioned it yet. If you go into the Abra Cadabra Chrome extension, you can create custom rules for websites. Depending what website you're on, you can have a custom rule. So for example, if I go to my saved rules down here, these are all my rules over here. So if I go into Facebook, it says here, always go to my Facebook profile when you arrive on facebook.com. Now, this rule will always apply when Abra Cadabra goes to Facebook. It will automatically know this information so that it will then know where to go, where to post. So you could put here login credentials. You don't have to necessarily if you're already logged in. And then the Abra Cadabra will get that information, so you won't have to keep telling it each time. So this is fantastic. Fantastic for anybody who's going to be using this across multiple different platforms. Like if you tell Abra Cadabra, go to Twitter, go to Facebook, go to YouTube, go to Discord and post this specific information which you find from Google, summarize it, and then go to Telegram, post it there as well. You need to have all the credentials. You need to give Abra Cadabra, or any autonomous for that matter, needs to know all of this information, where to post, which group to post in. Do you know what I mean? That's what's amazing about Abra Cadabra, and it's so easy to use. So easy to use. You just simply have your go to the domain you want to set a rule on, and then it will kind of pop up over here. Then you can select the domain, make it shorter, meaning on every domain that starts with this, you can add extra instructions and say anything you want. Always select express shipping, or skip this, or do that. Do you know what I mean? Basically, it's customizable. It's better than Atlas for sure. Guaranteed. Give it a try. It's free for 7 days. Link in the description. If you can't find it, just go to the extension store and type Abra Cadabra. Let me just show you right now. Abra Cadabra. And you'll find it right here. It's brand new, so it has 0 reviews. And trust me, you are going to absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.